Okay, so students, we are discussing now the comet of linear equation chapter, and I am starting with classwork portion today. And classwork portion, question number 1 says there is a linear equation which you need to solve and find out the value of x. Okay, so I'm writing down the question number 1, that is 2 by 3. Inside the bracket, this is 4x minus 1 minus, then inside the bracket there is 2x minus 1 plus x, and then upon 3, then is equal to 1 by 3x plus 4 by 3. I have written this question. Now let us do it one by one. We will not be solving it all together. You can see here there is so much of expressions in between. ठीक है, बहुत सारी चीजें इसमें एक साथ आई हैं, so हम एक एक करके सॉल्व करते हैं. ठीक है, सबसे पहले I am solving this, only this. ठीक है, so now you see step by step. सबसे पहले you are knowing when we will open this bracket, 2 by 3 is a number which will get multiplied inside. So सबसे पहले 2 upon 3 will be multiplied with 4x. ठीक है, then the sign of minus will become common. Then 2 by 3 will multiply by 1. So you will get it 2 by 3 only. ठीक है, so when you will solve this, it will give you 8x upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. This will come when you will solve this first step. ठीक है, remember, if you are already knowing the solution, I would request you to try in Comet. ठीक है, who are able to solve, please do it along with me. ठीक है, don't watch it only, you just also do it in your copy, Comet or copy. If you are not able to understand, then you watch here. Okay, so this is the first step which we have done it. Now let me solve the second step. Second step में बेटा एक चीज याद रखिएगा, this I am only solving the bracket inside portion. This is only 2x, this is minus, and this is 1 plus x upon 3. एक चीज always remember, this sign of minus will create always confusion. आपको मैंने पहले भी समझाया था, यही minus हमेशा confusion create करेगा. Remember, this minus is not written with -1. It is the sign of negative which is in between. ये इन दोनों के बीच में है. So सबसे अच्छी चीज होगी कि you put the bracket here for saving 1 plus x. If you put the bracket, you will be able to solve it correctly. ठीक है? So now let us solve this step. This is 2x will remain like that only, minus will remain like that only, or better let us take it directly LCM. Now see this, it is just like a fraction. One fraction is this, one fraction is this, and you are knowing when we have two different fractions, we have the process of LCM. So 1 and 3 LCM will be 3. Here you will solve, it will give you 3, 3 2 just 6x. This is 6x. Now this is minus. Let it be minus only. Now 3 divided by 3, which will give you 1, और 1 से ऊपर multiply होगा तो बेटा 1 plus x ही आएगा. ठीक है, so I have written this. Now let us open this bracket. When you will open this bracket, it will give you 6x minus, जब किसी ब्रैकेट के बाहर होता है और जब माइनस ब्रैकेट से ओपन होता है, तो अंदर के सारे साइन चेंज हो जाते हैं बेटा. वी गेट ऑल द साइन चेंज. तो +1 will become -1 and plus x will become -x and upon 3. Okay, let me put it down. Yes, ठीक है, this will get. So you will get 6x minus 1 minus x is equal to 3. And now see this, 6x में से 1x जाएगा तो you will get it 5x. This is -1 upon 3. It means we solved the second step also and we got this. Now I am going to rub. If you want to note it down, I think you people have understood. So I am going to rub this and I'll write down directly this one, because you know that the board is little shorter. So I'll not be able to cover up everything. So I'm just doing it step by step. So from the first thing, I got this one. So I'm writing it here, 8 upon 3x minus 2 by 3. ये हमको मिला है फर्स्ट वाले स्टेप से. Then I have the sign of minus, so I am putting the sign of minus. Then I have got 5x minus 1 upon 3, and this is inside the bracket. So I am going to rub this also. Okay, now I got this. And the last step, if you will see, this is here. Both are like fractions. So no need to do it so much in this. You just need to write it down like that only which is written. So I'm just writing down that only which was given in the question. Can you tell me 1 by 3x उसके बाद क्या था? 4 by 3, right? Now our question has become like this. अब हमारा question इस तरीके से दिख रहा है, ठीक है? Now what we will do? You can see once. अगर आप सारे numbers के denominator को check करो तो you have every place as 3 3 3 3 3. So what we just need to do, you solve it in the form of LCM only, then 3 3 will get cancelled at the last. So सबसे पहले I'm going to do the LCM of this. It will give you 3, and same here I'm also taking the LCM of this 2 also, which will give me 3. Now same process, नीचे divide ऊपर multiply, which we often do. So it will give you 8x, I have written this. Then here it will give you minus 2, I have written this. And then 3 divided by 3, which will give you 3 only. So ये पूरा का पूरा ऐसे ही आ जाएगा बेटा, 5x minus 1. यहाँ पर आ जाएगा आपके पास 1x, और यहाँ पर आ जाएगा आपके पास 4. अब see now, 3 is here also, 3 is here also. जब भी कभी किसी नंबर पे सेम डिनोमिनेटर होता है, इधर पे भी और उधर पे भी, तो आप जब ट्रांसफर करोगे ये वाला 3 डिवाइड का, तो वहां जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई में और दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा. और अगर आप चाहो तो डायरेक्ट कैंसिल कर सकते हो. क्यों डायरेक्ट कैंसिल कर सकते हो, ये आपको मैंने पहली क्लासेस में बताया था. सो नाउ योर क्वेश्चन हैज बिकम द सिंपलर. जो कि इतना बड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेशन था वो सब कुछ हट चुका है. नाउ यू हैव ओनली दिस. ठीक है. सो नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व. लेट अस ओपन द ब्रैकेट. दिस इज ओनली 8x minus 2 minus 5x minus minus plus 1, and this is x plus 4. Now take all the x one side. So 8x में से 5x गया, you will have only 3x. Minus 2 plus 1 will give you only minus 1, and this is x plus 4. Okay. Now just see x one side. So this is 3x minus x, and this is 4, and this will go plus 1. So this is 4 plus 1, 5. So this is 5, and this is 2x. So the value of x is 5 by 2. This will be, I think answer is also this. Yes, 5 by 2 is the answer. Okay, so let's try now question number 2. Question number 2 says that the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number. So here I have solved it and I am explaining it to you now. You are knowing we have done this type of question once also before. Here it is telling that the sum of both the digit is 15. So first of all, we always assume the unit place. So unit place we have taken as x, and the tens digit, because tens place will digit also, because it is a 2-digit number. So tens place digit we took it 15 minus x. Why? Because the sum is given here 15 of both the digits. So this is x and this is 15 minus x. Now let's move on to the number that you are knowing. Whenever we are supposed to form a number, ठीक है, हम जब भी किसी नंबर को बनाते हैं, the formula becomes 10 into tens place plus ones place. So tens place was 15 minus x, I have put here, and unit place is x, so that also I put. So after solving this one, I am getting 150 minus 9x. How? 10 with 15, 150, 10 with x minus 10x plus x ka plus x. So it will give you 150 minus 9x. Now move on to the further line. It is telling by reversing the digit. I have also explained it to you. Reversing the digit का मतलब होता है unit becomes tens and tens becomes unit. So here the formula becomes just reverse. I will be putting in place of 15 minus x, I will put x. In place of x, I will put 15 minus x. So I have placed it here, and then after solving, I am getting 9x plus 15. How 9x plus 15? 10 with x, 10x, 15 minus x will be open up. 10x minus x, it will give you 9x plus 15 ka plus 15. Now we have got this till here. Now the question statement is telling if the number formed by reversing digit is less than original number by 27. So original number was this. ठीक है, less than 27. So this is 27 by reversing the digit. So reversing digit is this one, 27 less by original number. So 27 less by original number. This was original number, 27 less here, that is minus, and that is equal to original number. Now just I have started solving by opening the bracket. So let me show you little down. Now understand this. I have just opened the bracket. 150 will remain here, minus 9x will remain here, minus 27 will remain here, and 9x plus 15 is like that only. Now let us solve it. You are knowing 150 and minus 27, it will give you 123. Then minus 15 is like that only. See, plus 15 is will come here, which will give you minus 15. So I have kept it minus 15 like that only. So this is 9x, and you are knowing this minus 9x will go that side, which will give you plus 9x, because you will do it transfer method. So it will give you 9x plus 9x, and you are knowing 9x and 9x will be added together, will give you 18x. So I have kept it here 18x, and this is 108. Now I will do it transfer, 108 divided by 18, which will give you here 18. 6 are 108. So I have put the value, and then I have got the value x is equals to 6. And you are knowing that x is equals to 6 means we got the unit place. हमें मिल गया unit place, and unit place was x. So हमको मिल गया कितना 6. Now second was tens place. Tens place was 15 minus x. So 15 minus x का मतलब होता है 15 minus 6. So 15 minus 6, which will give you here 9. So I have got the place unit also and tens also. And you are knowing, if you know the place of unit and tens both, you just need to put in the question. Okay, put in the digits. So now what it will be there? Unit place is 6, so it will be 6. Tens place is 9, so I put it 9. So the number will become 96. The number will become 96 in that. Now let's move on to question number 4. That is Mr. Mehta. Mr. Mehta buys a postage stamp in denomination rupees 1, rupees 5 and rupees 10. So he has the denomination of rupees 1, rupees 5 and rupees 10. This type of question also we did it earlier in our previous classes. So here you are knowing your denomination. Whenever we have denomination like questions, we do it. Next, understand how we do it. Now it is given that these denomination are in the ratio form. Ratio form means this is 2 ratio, 3 ratio, 5. It means कौन से टाइप के डिनोमिनेशन वो आपको पता है कि रुपीज 1 वाले हैं, कुछ रुपीज 5 वाले हैं, कुछ रुपीज 10 वाले हैं. ठीक है, उसके बाद 2 रेशियो 3 रेशियो 5 के फॉर्म में है. द टोटल नंबर क्या है वो हमें नहीं पता कि 1 रुपए वाले कितने हैं, 5 रुपए वाले कितने हैं, 10 रुपए वाले कितने हैं, ये कितने हैं नंबर, हाउ मेनी आर देयर, वी आर नॉट नोइंग अबाउट इट. सो व्हाट विल डू, वी विल अज्यूम इट. सो लेट द नंबर, है ना, लेट द नंबर ऑफ रुपीज 1 डिनोमिनेशन वाले कितना हो जाएगा 2x. जस्ट इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 2 रेशियो, सो वी विल टेक इट 2x. देन रुपीज 5 वाले कितने हो जाएंगे बेटा, इट विल गिव यू 3x. देन रुपीज 10 वाले कितने हो जाएंगे आपके पास 5x. ये ले लिया आपने. नाउ आई टोल्ड यू कि नंबर से सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, नंबर से ज्यादा हमें पता होना कि टोटल मनी कितनी है. ठीक है, मनी कितनी है. और मनी कैसे पता चले कि नंबर से मनी कभी नहीं बनती. मनी बनती है जब आप डिनोमिनेशन को कन्वर्ट करते हो. नाउ हाउ टू कन्वर्ट इट. सपोज आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू अ रैंडम एग्जांपल. सपोज आपसे बोला गया कि आपके पास 10 रुपीज के 5 नोट हैं. ठीक है, तो आप ये बस नहीं लिखोगे 10 रुपीज के 5 नोट है, मतलब आपके पास टोटल मनी कितनी है 10 into 5, which will give you 50 rupees. Okay, rupees 50. Same thing, if I will speak that आपके पास 1 rupees के 100 coins है. So what will you write? You have total 100 rupees. So remember the number of notes or number of money, number of denomination, number of coin. इसको solve करने के लिए आपको पहले जरूरत किसकी होती है, कितने numbers हैं और कौन से type के हैं. So then you will form the money of it. So क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में आप अगर आगे पढ़ोगे तो इट इज टेलिंग दैट ही पेज रुपीज 741 टू द कैशियर. मतलब टोटल मनी उसके पास 741 थी. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, उसकी मनी बना लेते हैं. सो नाउ मनी कैश यू कैन ऑल्सो स्पीक. ठीक है, मनी कैश आफ्टर गेटिंग दिस वन. सो ₹1 के 2x नोट है या ₹1 के 2x कॉइन है, तो टोटल मनी कितनी हो जाएगी बेटा 1 रुपीज से? It will give you 1 multiplied by 2x, which will give you ₹2x. ठीक है, you are getting from ₹1 से. Now ₹2 से कितना, ₹5 से कितना हो जाएगा? 5 multiplied by 3x, which will give you here ₹15x. Okay, then it is telling ₹10 के 5x, तो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 10 into 5x, which will give you ₹50x. ठीक है, अब हमको मिल गई मनी एंड दैट वाज ओनली इंपॉर्टेंट टू गेट द मनी. सो अब हमको जैसे ही मनी मिलेगी बेटा, व्हाट विल डू, वी विल हैव द टोटल डिनोमिनेशन. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द टोटल डिनोमिनेशन. इट इज टेलिंग द टोटल डिनोमिनेशन इज ₹741 cash. Okay, 741. So ATQ means according to question. So according to question is like 2x plus 15x plus 50x. ठीक है, and in total how much we have? Let's see this. एक minute. See this. So total is given here 741. In question it is given total money is taken as ₹741 to the cashier. So now let's add it. 15 and 50 मिला करके हो जाएगा बेटा, 15 and 50 मिला करके हो जाएगा 65. ठीक है, it will be now 65. ठीक है, 50 and 10 60, 65. 65 and 2 मिला करके हो जाएगा 67x. तो 67x will be equal to 741 and x will be equal to 741 upon 67. So let us try it how many times it will go. ठीक है, let us try it how many times it will go. So यहाँ पर let us try 741 divided by 67. So 67 ones are 67. ठीक है, it will give you now it will give you here 7. यहाँ पर आ जा रहा है 71. Just a second now. एक मिनट. Sorry students, we did it one little mistake. Actually it was not given 2:3:5. It was given 2:5:3. So that is why it was just little mistake, but no worries, the whole process will remain same. यहाँ पर 3 की जगह 5 है and यहाँ पे 5 की जगह पर 3 है. बाकी rest of the things are absolutely same. The whole process is same. ठीक है, let me tell you what was the change in it. Look at here. See. The change was in the ratio was only changed. It was not 2:3:5. It was 2:5:3. The ratio was 2:5:3. So just it was a little confusion. So 2:5:3. I have just read it wrong. So it will be 1:5:3. The whole process will be same. यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 5x ये वाला और ये वाला हो जाएगा 3x. बाकी everything will remain same. So जब ये वाला change होगा बेटा, तो यहाँ पर 2 के बाद यहाँ पर 5 आएगा और यहाँ पर आएगा 3. ठीक है, सो इस प्रोसेस में क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 5 5s are 25x एंड 10 3s हो जाएगा 30x. ठीक है, 10 3s हो जाएगा 30x. बाकी फिर से वही चीज हो जाएगी, यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 25 और यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 30. ठीक है, सो अब आप यहाँ पे जब सॉल्व करोगे, सो इट विल नॉट गिव यू 67, इट विल गिव यू हियर 30 and 25, it will give you 55 and 55 and 2 मिलाकर के हो जाएगा 57. So here it will be divided by 57. And when you will solve it 57, when you are dividing it, you are getting it 13. आपको मिल रहा है 30. X की value you will get it 13. Let me show you by putting it little down. Sorry for that beta. I just read the question wrong in hurry. ठीक है, बाकी the whole process will remain absolutely same. Only I took the wrong ratio. So now we have got the value of x is 13. So beta, our target was not to get only the value of x. Our target is to get how much money, how much number of postage stamp of each kind Mr. Mehta has got. सो यहाँ पर मनी, यहाँ पर टोटल कितना बेटा, यहाँ से हम सॉल्व करेंगे 2x 5x और 3x से। सो सबसे पहले ₹1 वाले, सो ₹1 वाले नंबर ऑफ नोट्स कितने थे, नंबर ऑफ स्टेम्स कितने थे 2x, तो 2x मतलब हो जाएगा 2 into 13 which will give you 26। सबसे पहला वाला आ जाएगा 26। उसके बाद इट वाज टेलिंग ₹5 वाला, 5 वाला कितना है आपके पास 5x, तो 5x का मतलब हो जाएगा 13 into 5 है ना, सो 13 into 5 होता है 65, सो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 65 एंड आफ्टर दैट, एक मिनट, then you have ₹10 वाले, so ₹10 वाले you have 3x, so 3x मतलब हो जाएगा आपके पास 3 into 13 which will give you 39। So remember, here it will be 26, 65 and 39 as the number of notes, number of postage stamps. Now let us see the next question. The next question is from the homework part. I am telling that is 2 by 3x plus 1 by 2 inside the bracket x minus 5 is equal to 3 by 2 inside the bracket x minus 1। ठीक है, so first of all what we are doing is we'll just open the bracket to solve this। it will give you 2 by 3x plus inside the bracket when you will open it, it will give you 1 by 2x minus when you will multiply this, it will give you 5 by 2 and when you will open this one, it will give you 3 by 2x minus 3 by 2। Okay, just now what you need to do, just simply solve it in the form of LCM, or you can also do it x one side and number one side, which will, both the process are correct, you can do it by any of the way। so for what I am trying to do it, I am taking it x one sided first, and I am taking number one side, so this was minus 3 by 2 earlier, here only ये वाला minus 5 by 2 is going here, which will give you plus 5 by 2। okay, now move on to the next thing। you will be having LCM of these, it will give you 2 3s are 6, LCM will be coming because 2 here it is 3, so 2 3s are 6 will come in the LCM। now नीचे divide ऊपर multiply, which will give you 4x plus 3x minus 9x, because 2 divide यहाँ पे लोगे 6 divided by 2 it will give you 3, 3 3s are 9x। now here both are like terms, so 5 में से 3 जाएगा, बचेगा 2 by 2 and 2 by 2 means you will get it 1। ठीक है, now you can see here this is 5, 4 and 3, 4 and 3 will be 7x, 7x minus 9x जब आप solve करोगे it will give you minus 2x, minus 2x upon 6 and जब आप ट्रांसफर करोगे तो it will give you 2x is equals to 6, यहाँ पर जाएगा तो 1 into 6 which will give you only 6 and x value will be 6 divided by minus 2 which will give you minus 3। okay, which will give you minus 3। this will be the complete solution of this particular question। okay, now let's move on to the next question। now the question which we are going to do, that is question number 6, and that is 2 years ago Dilip was 3 times as old as his son, and 2 years hence twice his age will be equal to 5 times that of his son। find their present ages। this age, this question is just a complicated question, so I'll just begin it with a beginning part। please try to understand it very properly because इस question में कहीं पर भी किसी की भी present age के बारे में बात नहीं की गई है। यहाँ पर जो भी question में बात की गई है वो 2 साल पहले और अब से 2 साल बाद, मतलब प्रेजेंट के बारे में कोई बात नहीं हो रही है। जहाँ पे जो भी बात हो रही है वो 2 साल पहले और 2 साल बाद के बारे में बात हो रही है। प्रेजेंट में क्या है कोई किसी को नहीं पता। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर सबसे पहले बेटा 2 लोग हैं, एक कौन है, दिलीप है, और एक दिलीप का बेटा, लाइक दिलीप सन एंड वन इज दिलीप। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले वी आर टेकिंग दैट द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ सन बी x years। ठीक है, हमने सबसे पहले सन की एज को माना x, Why we are assuming sun age as x? Because Dilip is depending on the age of sun. ठीक है, दिलीप जो है वो somehow depending है किस पे, अपने सन की एज पे. तो सबसे पहले हमने प्रेजेंट एज माना है. प्लीज रिमेंबर वी आर एज्यूमिंग द प्रेजेंट एज. So present age of sun we are taking as x. Now I took it x. Now it is telling in the question that 2 years before. So आज से 2 साल पहले. So सबसे पहले you are knowing कि कोई भी age अगर हम आज present की अगर बोल रहे हैं 5, तो 2 साल पहले 5 minus 2 that will be 3 only. तो सबसे पहले what we are doing, we are taking that 2 साल पहले sun जो रहा होगा वो कितना रहा होगा, x minus 2. ठीक है, बिकॉज अगर आज सन की प्रेजेंट एज x है तो 2 साल पहले -2 रही होगी. सो इट विल बी x minus 2 आई टुक इट. ठीक है, नाउ इट इज टेलिंग कि 2 साल पहले जो फादर थे वो अपनी बच्चे की एज से 3 टाइम्स थे. ठीक है, मतलब आज से 2 साल पहले फादर अगर 2 साल बैक रहे होंगे तो बेटा भी तो 2 साल बैक रहा होगा. So we are taking that it was telling that 3 times of sun age. So 3 times मतलब 3 multiplied by x minus 2. ठीक है, so 3 multiplied by x minus 2 it will give you 3x minus 6. When you will open the bracket you will get it 3x minus 6. ठीक है, now which we have done it. Now after solving I have written 3x minus 6. अब ये तो हो गई 2 साल पहले की एज दोनों की. फादर की भी हमारे पास है, बेटे की भी हमारे पास है. लेकिन बेटा अगर सोचो तो यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट एज तो हमें बेटे की पता है, लेकिन हमें सन लाइक सॉरी बेटे की हमें पता है, बट दिलीप की प्रेजेंट एज क्या है वी डोंट नो. दिलीप इज अ फादर हियर. सो दिलीप की प्रेजेंट एज क्या है वी डोंट नो. सो प्रेजेंट एज कैसे, अब आपको पता है अगर 2 साल पहले मैं 4 साल की थी तो 2 साल बाद में कितने की होगी, 4 2 6 हो गया है ना. 4 2 यू विल ऐड इट. सो द सेम थिंग कि फादर जो है वो 2 साल पहले कितने हैं 3x minus 6. और हमको पता लगाना है कि फादर अभी कितने हैं. सो 2 साल पहले की बात है, आई हैव एडेड +2. सो यही उनकी प्रेजेंट एज हो जाएगी, दैट इज 3x minus 6 plus 2. When you solve it you have got it 3x minus 4. ठीक है, -6 plus 2 which will give you -4. So ये हो गई अब प्रेजेंट एज दिलीप की. ठीक है, या फादर की आप ये बोल सकते हो. So now we have got it the present age of father, present age of son हमने पहले से लेके रखा था. Now it is telling आज से 2 साल बाद. और remember आज से 2 साल बाद के बारे में बात बेटा तभी की जा सकती है जब हमें प्रेजेंट एज पता हो. सो हमने देखा कि प्रेजेंट एज तो हमें सभी की पता है, हमने सन की भी निकाल ली है और फादर की भी निकाल ली है. सो नाउ लुक एट हियर, लेट अस ट्राई आउट 2 साल बाद की बात. तो 2 साल बाद के लिए हम बात कर रहे हैं सन और फादर. फादर मतलब दिलीप. ठीक है, तो सन आज कितने हैं x का है. सन जो है उसकी एज कितनी है x है आज प्रेजेंट. सो 2 साल बाद कितनी हो जाएगी x plus 2. सेम वे फादर इज 3x minus 4. ठीक है, अभी प्रेजेंट पे. तो 2 साल बाद कितने हो जाएंगे फादर, +2 मोर. सो 3x minus 4 पहले से था, +2 you have done it. So after doing this one 3x minus 4 plus 2 जब सॉल्व करोगे you will get it 3x minus 2. Now let us read the statement again what it is telling, because this question is little complicated but it is a very important question again. Now the question is telling 2 years hence मतलब आज से 2 साल बाद twice his age. Twice his age मतलब दिलीप की जो एज है ना उसका twice will be equal to 5 times of his son. मतलब अपने बेटे की 5 times के इक्वल हो जाएगा twice of his दिलीप ना, twice of the age of दिलीप. तो हमने यहाँ पर क्या लिया 5 times of son which we are telling in the question में बोल रहा है 5 times of son is equal to 2 times of father. Father means दिलीप. ठीक है, तो twice of दिलीप is equal to 5 times of son. So I have written it 5 into x plus 2 because it was the age of son, and then it is telling twice of father. So twice of father means 2 into 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 beta because 3x minus 2 is the age of Dilip. ठीक है, so I have written it here. Now I have opened the bracket. It is telling 5 into x which will give you 5x, 5 into 2 which will give you 10, then 2 into 3x which will give you 6x, and 2 into 2 which will give you here 4. So we have got it 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6 6. Now we have solved it till here. Okay. Now move on to the last step. That is take x together and take x together and number together. So which will give you 5x minus 6x and यहाँ पे हो जाएगा -4 -10. So you are knowing when you will solve it upper in on upper portion. I am just rubbing it above. Here we have got it till here. Now I am trying to tell you from the beginning upper portion now. See this? I am just rubbing this much. See, we have got in the last step I have got it minus x because 5x minus 6x was given, so it will give you minus x. And that side I have told you -4 -10. तो -4 -10 मिलाकर के हो जाएगा बेटा -14. ठीक है, -14 आ गया. So this minus will get cancel. अब x आ गया 14 years. x कौन था आपको पता होगा? Sun. ठीक है. Now we want the age of Dilip also. So दिलीप की प्रेजेंट एज, प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट, दिलीप की प्रेजेंट एज हम निकाली है. दिलीप की प्रेजेंट एज थी 3x minus 4. So let us put the value. 3x मतलब हो जाएगा बेटा 14 into 3 minus 4. So it will be 42. 42 minus 4, which will give you here 38 years. मतलब the father, that was Dilip was of 38 years and Dilip was of 38 years. Let me write it down clearly because it is not visible in a proper way. So look at here, 14 into 3, which will give you here 42 minus 4. When you will solve it, it will give you 38 years is the age of father and 14 years is the age of son. That is given in the question. Now let's try to understand the last question of today. That is the ratio of Sakhi's age to the Seema's age is 3:2. यहाँ पर दो गर्ल्स के बारे में बात हो रही है बेटा. One is Sakhi and another one is Seema. So if you talk about Sakhi's age and Seema's age, it is given in the ratio 3:2. So let us assume that what age will be. It will be taken as 3x and this will be taken as 2x, which we are assuming now. So this Sakhi will be of 3x years and Seema will be of 2x years. Okay, I took it this way. So now the question is telling, I am reading the full question. The ratio of Sakhi's age to the Seema's age is 3:2. We have taken like that. Now 5 years from now, आज से 5 साल के बाद, so ये हो गई बेटा इनकी प्रेजेंट एज. ठीक है, आज से 5 साल बाद मतलब 5 years from now. From now. So आज से 5 साल बाद कितना, दोनों के दोनों 5 साल बड़े हो जाएंगे. So it will give you 3x plus 5. सखी हो जाएंगी and Seema हो जाएगी 2x plus 5. Now we have got this 3x plus 5, 2x plus 5. Now the question is telling that 5 years from now the ratio of their ages, मतलब अभी जो ratio 3:2 है वो आज से 5 साल बाद कितना हो जाएगा 7:5. So according to question, you are knowing how to find out ratio. Ratio means comparison of these two by division. So comparison of these two means 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 5, which will give you 7:5. That is 7/5. This is told by question. Now just you are knowing when we have this kind of process, we do it the cross multiplication. We do the cross multiplication. So how to do the cross multiplication? Just to have here, this one be here. So it will go to 5. This will give you 3x plus 5. This side it will give you 7, 2x plus 5. Okay. Now just open the bracket. When you will open the bracket, it will give you 15x it will give you 25, it will give you 14x, it will give you 35. ठीक है, for 15x plus 25 and that side 14x plus 35. Now you just need to solve it further to get the value of x for this question. So what you need to do, 15x will remain here only, 14x will come this side, 35 will remain here only, 25 will go that side. So it will give you only x, that will give you only 10. So the value of x we got it as 10. x की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई 10, बट हमको x नहीं चाहिए था, we want Sakhi age and Seema's age. So सबसे पहले let us write for Sakhi's age and another one girl is Seema. So Seema's age. So बेटा see, Sakhi was 3x. So 3x का मतलब हो गया 3 into 10. Seema was 2x, मतलब 30 and 20 will be the age of these two girls. So this is years and this is also years. Okay, 30 and 20 will be the age of these two girls. One will be 30, another one will be 20. This is finished now. You can watch it and then I'll be ending the class of today. So thank you very much each one of you to having the patience. Today we have done mostly the questions of which were more challenging type of questions. ठीक है, हर क्वेश्चन को अगर आप 2 बार एक अच्छे तरीके से देखोगे तो then you will be understanding it in a more clear way. And remember, each of the question is very important. Okay, each of the question is very important. Please, if you don't understand, please watch it twice, and if you don't get it then let me know by the comment also. आप उसी वीडियो पे अगर आप कमेंट कर दोगे then also I will understand that which portion is not understood to you. Okay, so thank you very much everyone. Jai Hind all of you.